Smart fish keeping. We're talking about something that sounds simple, doesn't it? But it is crucial for aquarium success. Stick around to find out how to do it right. Welcome back to DBC Aquatics, where we dive deep into the world of aquarium, bringing you tips, tricks, and everything you need to know to keep your aquatic friends happy and healthy. Feeding your fish might seem like the most straightforward part of the aquarium care, yet it's where many enthusiasts, both novices and experienced, often slip up. Overfeeding, underfeeding, and not choosing the right diet can lead to a host of problems, including water quality issues and health problems for your fish. But worry not. Today, we're going to explore how to feed your fish smartly and ensure your aquarium thrives. Let's dive in. First things first, understanding your fish's dietary needs is crucial. Different fish species have different requirements. Some are carnivores, some are herbivores, and others are omnivores. By understanding what your fish naturally eat, you can choose the best food for their health and well-being. It also helps in creating a balanced diet that mimics their natural feeding habits. Now let's talk quantity. A good rule of thumb is to feed your fish only as much as they can consume that is the size of their eyeball once or twice a day. This prevents overfeeding, which can lead to water quality issues like high nitrite levels and algae growth, not to mention the health issues for your fish. Now, just like us, fish enjoy a varied diet, incorporating a mix of high-quality flake food, pellets, frozen, and also live food can keep your fish healthy and their colors vibrant. A varied diet not only meets all their nutritional needs, but it also keeps them engaged and active. Smart feeding isn't just about what and how much you feed, but also how you feed. Using feeding rings, automatic feeders, and even hand feeding for certain species can enhance your fish feeding practice. It's all about making feeding time efficient, effective, and enjoyable for both you and your fish. Smart fish feeding is the cornerstone of aquarium success, but understanding your fish's needs, feeding the right amount, and providing a variety and using smart feeding practices, you'll ensure your aquatic ecosystem is not just surviving, but thriving. Hey, thanks for diving into today's topic with us. If you found these tips helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to DBC Aquatics for more aquatic insights. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep those waters crystal clear and your fish swimmingly happy.